Hello, everyone, and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Department of Business Economics, University of Delhi. We are here at the very first episode of Internship Stories 2021, where we talk about the achievements and learnings of the students in the summer internship program as a part of the flagship MBA program provided by the institute. Department of Business Economics offers a dual specialization in MBA in domains of analytics, finance, marketing, and economics, along with preparing students to have an analytical acumen used in solving the real business problems. Today, we have with us Mr. Akshat of Batch 2022, who interned at RCSM India. Hello, Akshat, and we are delighted to have you here.
Hey, hi Pankuri. Thanks for having me here. And I'm really looking forward for this conversation.
Okay, so let's start with the first part of the talk. So, Akshat, could you please brief us about what actually RCSM does and what was your role during the summer internship?
Yeah, so sure, Pankuri. So basically, RCGM is a global financial technology and professional services firm which delivers post investment and enterprise data management solutions to some of the world's most sophisticated institutions like private equity firms, hedge funds, and banks. And talking about my role, I was part of the FinOp department and was entrusted to find solution to a real world problem that the firm was actually facing. Like, to be honest, I can't dwell deep into discussing about the exact projects due to the confidentiality clauses, but I can say that both the projects required a very thorough research and helped me gain knowledge about various financial instruments that are traded globally.
That's really great to hear. So, could you please elaborate how your role in the firm aligned with our MBA curriculum?
Oh yes, so during my first year, I had read about various financial securities, and it was actually very interesting to link all the intricacies that I had learned with the help of textbooks in during the first year with the practical world. Also, especially during my internship, I was a CFA level 1 candidate, and to be honest, both my projects, fortunately, were somewhere or the other were much aligned with the topics that I was actually studying in the curriculum of level 1 CFA.
Well, that's great. So, what was your best experience during this tenure of your internship?
Yeah, so like you must be knowing that owing to the pandemic, the whole setup was completely virtual, and the whole team ensured a smooth onboarding process. And especially the human capital team organized various sessions wherein we interacted with all the new recruits at the firm and did a lot of fun. We played various games and did various activities. And trust me on this, such sessions actually acted as a stress busters at times. Also, there was a musical concert of KK that was organized for all the employees at RCSM India Private Limited, and it was actually a very mesmerizing experience. And that is something that I think that I won't be forgetting ever.
That's great. I'm sure that all the juniors who are listening to this session will get motivated and work hard to get through the RCSM selection process. So, what has been your major learning here at DBE?
Yeah, so before entering into DB, I was quite inclined towards academics, but DB helped me in discovering the other side of my personality. And being the placement coordinator, I got the opportunity to connect with various recruiters, and in a way, it helped me in building my soft skills. And if we talk about the dual specialization at DB, it helped me recon the importance of the data, and it helped me in gaining the knowledge of how we can make sense of the data we have in our hands. And also, like, how can I forget to mention that DB in a way helped me in landing up in a company that is actually a dream of various B school graduates.
That's great. So, let's move on to the final segment for the day, that is rapid fire. So, the rules are I'll just ask you a question and you have to answer what comes first in your mind.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Your dream city to pursue your career.
New York.
Okay. If you are given $1 million, what will you do?
Well, I'll invest in markets.
I saw that coming.
Yeah.
Your favorite novel?
Random walk to Wall Street.
CTC you are offered?
Haha, Pankaj, no trick questions.
Your inspiration?
That must be Grant Cardone.
Age you want to retire at?
40 most probably.
Okay. What are you most proud of?
My honesty.
Describe your internship in one word.
Best experience ever.
Okay. Thank you, Akshat. It was actually very good to have a conversation with you. So, could you also please give a very brief advice to all the students who are looking forward to get through the selection process of RCCM?
Right, definitely. So, see, the only thing that I believed helped me in landing up in RCGM was my knack towards finance. I would say, in case you are aware about what's happening around you, you are good to go. For the interviews, you can expect questions related to anything under the sun pertaining to finance. That's that.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you so much, Akshat, for taking out time to do this and sharing your experience with us. We are sure that this would help our viewers in understanding the intricacies of the work profile. And that was really a great talk. I absolutely enjoyed it. And thank you all for watching it. Share it with your peers and see you all in the next episode.
Thanks, Pankri. I must say it's a very good initiative and much appreciated. Thanks.